Okay. To start with, first I will introduce both the devices to you. This is a POS device which will have a fingerprint scanner. This is the screen for the display. Through this keyboard we can enter or type in any information. Here is the printer jack to get the receipts, and this is an antenna so that the network doesn't goes down. And this device is already having a GPRS enabled SIM card which is used to send the information from this device to the server side application or a web portal. We are also using a mobile phone as a passive device which does not have any SIM card. We are only using the camera part of this mobile phone through which we will capture the images of the customer and the documents, and which is then transferred from the mobile phone to the POS device through this USB cable. And for a security reasons, now before starting with the customer registration, user of this device has to log in on this application by using his username which is already assigned to him, a password, and his fingerprints which are already registered in the device. Now to start with the registration process, we have to enter three major informations at a high level. First is a personal information, second is the fingerprint enrollment, and third is we need to capture the photographs of the documents and the customers. Now just to show you, here is a personal information screen wherein we will just enter the personal information of the customer like this. And in the same way we have to capture all the informations which includes a first name, last name, age, address, nominee name, etc., whatever we want as per the requirement. And then after completing all the first personal information, the data capturing in the device, we have to move on to the fingerprint enrollment. And for fingerprint enrollment we can capture like 10 fingers or the 5 fingers or just one thumbprint based on whatever is the requirement. So this is completely configurable part, or we can even capture the fingerprints of both the parents. And just to show you the demo, I am just capturing one fingerprint over here. Once the fingerprint is captured successfully, we can hear a beep sound. And if we want to skip, we can skip all other fingers without capturing. And once we have captured the fingerprints, we have to capture the image of the document or maybe the photograph of the customer which we have captured in this mobile phone. So once we have, in our case I have already captured the photograph in the mobile phone, which we have to transfer from the mobile phone over here to the POS device. And see, this will connect the device with the mobile phone, and this takes some 3-4 seconds or 5 seconds to capture. Are now captured over here. Now we have captured all the information including personal information, fingerprint capturing, and the images capturing. The part remaining which is only to send the data from this device to the web application. For that we will just go over here, enter the data which we want to send from this device. We can see the messages connecting through GPRS, and after connecting through GPRS it will send the data from this POS device to the web application. Once the request is sent successfully, we can have a print receipt message on the screen. If we press enter, then we can have the receipt printed with a valid reference number for the future use. And
okay, once the data is captured from the POS device and sent from POS device to the web portal, we can see the data over here, and also the photographs and the images which we have captured from the POS device are visible over here. That ends the registration process.